Hello students, now let me proceed with computation of tax liability, and now I will solve problem number 4. And in the given problem, compute tax liability of Sri Chanavir, a resident in India, age 61 years. His total income is rupees 1 crore 15 lakhs. So this is the given problem, and when you go to the problem, you can truly see that Mr. Sri Chanavir is an individual, and he is a resident of India. It is a residential status. His age is 61 years. It means that the tax rates applicable for the people whose age is above 60 years, those tax rates become applicable. And whatever the snap that I have forwarded to you, in that you have to go through table number 2. Table number 2, the rates of tax applicable for individual being residents in India, man or woman, who is the age of 60 years or more but less than age of 80 years. So the applicable rates will be, on the first rupees 3 lakhs, there is no tax. Next rupees 2 lakhs, 5%, and next rupees 5 lakhs, it is 20%. On the remaining balance, it will be tax at the rate of 30%. This is how we are going to tax in respect of an individual whose age is more than 60 years and below 80 years. So when you will go to the problem, they have given it is the total income. Total income in the sense, it is already making deduction under section 16 IA, that is standard deduction that they have already deducted. Now directly they have given the total income only. On the total income we can directly impose the tax. That is fine. Let us go through calculation of tax liability of Mr. Chanavir. So when you will go through the slab rates, the person age is more than 60 years. That you need to consider. So that is fine. I will write the slab, I will write the rate, and next will be tax. So what I will do, on first rupees 3 lakhs, up to 3 lakh the tax rate will be nil. No tax is going to be imposed on the first rupees 3 lakhs. On next rupees 2 lakh, the applicable tax rate will be 5%. My total income is 1 crore 15 lakhs. Now I have considered only 5 lakh. So 2 lakh into 5%. So take a calculator and make a calculation. It is 2 lakh into 5%, and you will get 10,000. Next, on next rupees 5 lakhs, slab will be next rupees 5 lakhs. It is tax at the rate of 20%, and 5 lakh into 20%. that to 1 lakh. That gives me 1 lakh. Now on remaining balance. What is remaining balance? Out of 1 crore 15 lakhs. This is the total income to be taxed. 1 crore 15 lakhs. Out of that, you need to deduct first 3 lakhs. You need to deduct next 2 lakhs, and you need to deduct next 5 lakhs. Total 10 lakhs that I am going to deduct. The remaining amount will be rupees 1 crore 5 lakhs. 1 crore 5 lakhs remains. Okay, now you can go through that. So this remaining 1 crore 5 lakhs is going to be taxed at the rate of 30%. The remaining balance will be 1 crore 5 lakhs. It is going to be taxed at the rate of 30%. That is fine. 1 crore 5 lakhs into 30%, and it gives me 31 lakh 50,000. 31 lakh 50,000, and add all the tax. It gives me 32 lakhs 60,000. Now you can see that this is the tax liability of Mr. Chanvi. Tax liability of the Mr. Chanvi. So here at this stage you need to consider that if the total income exceeds rupees 50 lakhs, then the surcharge will come into picture. Surcharge rate also that I have forwarded to you. Please go through the same. So here income rate and the rate of surcharge up to rupees 50 lakhs, it is surcharge will be nil. Next 50 lakh to 1 crore 10%, 1 crore to 2 crore 15%, 2 crores to 5 crore 25%, above 5 crores it is 37%. So this one you have to go through. Now my total income is 1 crore 15 lakhs, and which surcharge will become applicable for me? The surcharge at the rate of 15% will become applicable to me. Why? Because third one will be the rupees 1 crore up to rupees 2 crores. The surcharge rate is 15%. That becomes applicable to me. Now I need to impose the surcharge. Add surcharge at the rate of 15%. On which amount? 32 lakhs 60,000 only. So make a proper calculation. 32 lakh 60,000 into 15%. 32 lakh 60,000 into 15%. 32 lakh 60,000 into it gives me 4 lakh 89,000. 4 lakh 89,000, and when the total income exceeds rupees 5 lakhs, then what I need to add? I need to add the medical and education cess also. That is why this is tax liability after surcharge. Add both the figures. 9,000, 47, 37 lakh 49,000. Now what I am going to do on this 37 lakh 49,000, I am going to add the health and education cess at the rate of 5%, at the rate of 4%. That is why add health and education cess at 4% on 37 lakh 49,000. How much you will get? 37 lakh 49,000 into 4%. You will get 1 lakh 49,960. Now you need to add both these amounts. Now you are supposed to add both these amounts. How much you will get? You will get, that is nothing but a tax payable. You will get 38 lakh 98,960. So this much the tax is going to be paid by Mr. Chanvi. So special aspects of this problem is that the tax rate which are going to become to an individual whose age is more than 60 but less than 80 years of age. That is one thing. And second thing is that when the total income is going to exceed rupees 50 lakhs, then surcharge is going to be come into picture. And not only that, if the total income is going to exceed rupees 5 lakhs, then you need to pay the health and education cess also. So these are the special effect of this problem. So please go through the problem. With this I am going to conclude my discussion. Thank you.